That's grass.
The
Grass.
this one.
Trash can.
This one.
Do you see the car?
This one.
Do you see the car? Where's the car, Ricky?
The-
Where's our car? That's not the car, that's the trash can. We can't ride to school in that. Where's the car? Where's the purple car?
the-
You don't see it?
the-
He's looking.
Where's the car, Ricky? Vroom vroom.
There it is.
There it is.
Ricky, look. There it is.
the-
Car.
the-
Good job.
the-
That's a little stool.
this one.
And that's a bicycle.
This one.
Ricky, where are your toes? Good job. Where are your knees? Good. Where are your elbows? Elbow. Where's your elbow? Good job. Where are your cheeks? Cheeks. Where's your hair? Hair. Good job. Where's your belly? Belly. Where's your chest? Oh, those are your... Okay. We're losing interest.
My trash.
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 Good job. A clever boy.
Bye.